Match Patch Pro moisture tolerant polyurea. Load it into your cartridge, into your cartridge gun. Take the cap off. Take the plunger out. Put the tip on. This tip is extra long, so you get a good mix, and you also don't have to bend over as far. Make sure you screw that on tight. Then you're going to, keeping it upright like this, you're going to run it up, and we want to make sure that we're mixing right. So I'm going to run it all the way up there, and then I'm going to bleed it off a little bit into the cutter, into a cutter. And then see where. I'm going to take it into the clean joint, going to just overfill it. All right, now we're going to cut this off with a 4-inch razor scraper. Okay, when you're cutting, it's always good to kind of move with a slice, not a stab. Okay, and when you're coming up to the inside corners, you need to anywhere you got a doorway or a corner or anything, you need to cut away from it. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to start right here, and I'm cutting away from this joint. Okay, I'm cutting away this way too, and I can stay there for a minute. I'm cutting away this way, and then I'm catching it at an angle, and that way I get a nice.